somewhat mounted with zip ties. You already know. We got my boy running Bondo on the whole thing. I'm still in uniform. It's about 45 degrees outside. We got a snow day tomorrow, so you know where I'm gonna be. But again, short clips for you, just so you guys can stay updated. But here, the bumpers in the car is getting Bondo. All right. Alright, so when you're DAing, it should be one paper per panel. I forgot and went from the front fender all the way back to the rear fender, so now I gotta go back over. I'm just gonna redo the rear fender since we're gonna wet sand the whole car anyway. When I get done, I'm gonna put 40 on there and do the bumper. So, but y'all get this in time lapse. I'm gonna make no long boring video. All I'm doing is DAing in the car. So, all right. All right, side skirts are prepped. Scuffed them up, both sides. So we just need to go and scuff these up down here, where we're gonna bond them to. We didn't do too much on the car today. We had a car to unload, some cars to move around, so we're just gonna call it an early day. But that's gonna end the video today. Actually, on the Author's bumper, we filled in with Lord Fuser, both spots. So his is pretty much 90% done. All right, but as always, appreciate you guys coming back, staying with the channel. Thank you so much. Going to start getting videos out regularly again. Try and get my subscriber count back up to where it was, and just add to it from there. All right. So, appreciate you guys watching, staying with me, and I'll see you next video. Hopefully, I can push another one this week. Just keep it coming. All right.